In this video, I will show you how to transfer money using WorldRemit. But before we start, let me tell you one thing. Today it's my first day when I'm wearing this, how do you call this one? This shock, like head sock, like on this YouTube channel. And to be honest, I'm not really that much comfortable wearing head socks and caps like generally. So me wearing this sock today on this channel, it's more like I'm overcoming like that feeling of being judged. So if you do appreciate that, and if you really do like my head sock, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. And to be honest, by doing that, you are helping this video to reach many more other people so that they can also judge my head sock. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money using the WorldRemit mobile application. So in order to do that, you have to make sure that you install the WorldRemit mobile application on your cell phone. And if you are using Android, you just need to come to Play Store. Then here in Play Store, you just need to search for WorldRemit like money transfer. You are going to find this mobile application. I already have got the app on my phone. If you don't have got the application, you are going to need to install the mobile application. You can also do the same if you are using an iPhone. You just need to download and install this mobile application on your iPhone. Once you have installed the mobile application, you just need to come and open the mobile application. As you all know, one of the most important things on this YouTube channel is honesty. I always try to make sure that the videos that I make, I test things out before making the video. So on 18th of October, I tested out this mobile application and made a transfer using this mobile application. You can see there's a transaction marked delivered on the 18th of October. So I'm going to be showing you how to transfer money using WorldRemit based on this real case study. Like when you come to WorldRemit for the very first time, you're going to be brought to this page. So on this page, you just need to come and press on sign up over here. Then over here, all what you need to do is to come and enter the country of residency, like the country where you are based in here. You can see like there are so many countries supported on WorldRemit, or you can just come over here and search for your country. So after choosing the country of residence, let's say USA, all what you need to do is to come and enter your email address and also create a password over here. But one thing which I want you to do is to come over here where it says apply referral code. You need to come and press on this one. I'm going to leave a referral code in the description of this video. So you need to come and enter it in here. By entering this code, your first money transfer is going to be for free. Not only that, you are also going to earn like a cash voucher of $20 or equivalent, based on the country where you are. So make sure that you enter the referral code like to take advantage of the offer that WorldRemit is offering. So after entering the code, you just need to come and press on submit. So after pressing sign up, you just need to follow the simple steps to create your account. That way you'll be able to use your account to send money on WorldRemit. So in order to get started with the money transfer, all what you need to do is to come and press on this icon over here. Like recently, I sent money to Zambia. That's the reason why it is showing Zambia. But let's say you want to send money to another country. You just need to come and press on it, change over here. Then in here, you just need to choose. You can see like there are a lot of countries where you can send money to using WorldRemit. So you just need to choose any of these countries. Or you can just come over the search bar and search for the country. In this case, I want to show you by trying to send money to Kenya. So I will search for Kenya in here. So I will just go with like the Kenyan shilling over here, the local currency. I will just choose it. Then in here, all what you need to do is to come over here where it says receive method and come and press on it. Then here you are going to find a variety of transfer methods, like ways a receiver can receive money via like WorldRemit. You can see that you can send money directly to their bank account. The receiver can pick up the money directly in cash, or you can have got the money deposited directly to their mobile money account. Alternatively, you can buy airtime for them directly using WorldRemit. So like the most common way of transferring money on WorldRemit, it is bank deposits. So I'm going to show you how to send money via bank deposit, because this is the method that is going to be applicable almost to everyone, like regardless of where you are sending money to. But like if the country you are sending money to offers cash pickup and mobile money, you can opt like to send money like via mobile money, because it is very much fast and easier like to use mobile money compared like to bank accounts. But I will go ahead and show you how to send money like direct to someone's bank account on WorldRemit. So I just need to come and press on bank deposit. Then in here, after choosing bank deposit, you just need to come and press on next. Here, what you need to come and do is to come and enter the amount of money you want to send in here. And I'm trying to send 50 like British pound. After entering the amount, you are going to be shown how much money the recipient is going to receive. You can see like for this transaction, the recipient would receive about 7,000 Kenyan shilling. And if you are sending money for the very first time on WorldRemit, you have to make sure that you come over where it says promo code and come and press on it. You enter this promo code. By entering this promo code, like your first money transfer is going to be for free. You are not going to be charged anything. Like you are not going to be charged for the transaction. So after entering the promo code, you just need to come and press on apply code. Then after that, you just need to come and press on next over here. Then in here, you need to choose the type of bank account like you want to send money to. You can see we have got cooperative bank accounts in Kenya and also any bank account. So we're going to go like with any bank account over here. This is going to differ from country to country depending on where you are. Then in here, all what you need to do is to come and press on like add new receiver. Then you can see over here that you have to enter like the person details of the person you are trying to send money to. Not only person details, you also have to enter the bank account details of the person you are trying to send money to. So I will go ahead and fill out these details, and you can do that by just coming over here where it says required. Let's say if you want to enter the name, you just need to come and press on required. Then in here, you need to enter the name of the person you are trying to send money to. After that, you just need to come and press on next. Then in here, you need to choose the bank name of the bank account you want to send like money to. So like my recipient has got a bank account in Equity Bank. So I will go ahead and choose Equity Bank over here. After choosing Equity Bank, you just need to come and enter like the branch in here. So after entering the branch name, you just need to come and enter like the account number of like the bank account you are trying to send money to like over here. So I will enter the bank account number in here. So after entering the bank account number and all the bank account details, you just need to come and press on next over here. Then in here, you need to enter like the city like where this bank account and the person you are sending money to like is based. So the person is based in Nairobi. Then I'll just need to come and press on next. So over here, all what you need to do is to enter the phone number of the person you are sending money to. So you can just go ahead and enter the phone number in here. Then once you have entered the phone number, all what you need to do is to come and press on next over here. Then here you just need to choose the reason for making this money transfer. So you just need to come over here and choose the reason why you are sending money like to the person you are sending money to. Then I will press confirm. So after you have entered all the details of the recipient, all what you need to do is to come and press on confirm. So here you will need to review and pay for this money transfer. You have to make sure that all the details like of the money transfer are accurate. Once you have made sure that everything is okay, everything is accurate, you need to go ahead and make the payment for this transfer. Once you have made the payment, money will be on its way like to your receiver. So all what you need to do is to come and press over here where it says select payment method. Then in here, you need to choose a way of paying for this money transfer. You can pay with a bank transfer or a debit card or credit card. So if you are to go with a debit card or a credit card, you just need to come and press on debit card and credit card. When you press on pay over here, then you are going to be directed to this page where you need to enter your MasterCard or Visa card like details to pay for this money transfer. Alternatively, you can pay with a bank account. That way it is even going to be much cheaper, because sometimes you are going to be charged more if you are paying like with bank cards like MasterCard or Visa card. You might be charged more, but if you pay with a bank transfer, it is going to be way more much cheaper. So to pay with a bank transfer, let me just go back and show you. So when you come back here, you can see where it says pay with. You just need to come and press on edit Then we can opt for bank transfer because it is way more much cheaper. After choosing bank transfer, you just need to come and press on pay. Then what is going to happen, like WorldRemit is going to provide you with the bank account details where you need to transfer money to. So you can see over here that we are being told that we have to transfer 50 British pound to the bank account that WorldRemit is going to provide us. But you have to make sure that the account like that you are transferring money from is registered in your name. So you just need to come and press on confirm to see the bank account details that WorldRemit is going to prepare for you. So here you can see that we have been provided with a bank account. So you just need to copy this bank account number over here, and also you need to copy like the sort code and also the bank reference code. When making this bank transfer, you have to make sure that you enter this bank reference code. That way they are going to know that the money is coming in from your bank account. You just need to go to your bank mobile application and make a transfer of 50 British pound to this bank account provided for you over here. Once you make that transfer and WorldRemit receives the money, they are going to transfer the money like to your recipient successfully. So when I come over here and come and press on see transfer details, so you can see that the transfer has been created today, November 9, and the transaction is being processed. And it says over here like action required. So you need to make the transfer like to WorldRemit for this transfer to be processed. So we have come to the end of this video. So if you follow all the steps that I've shown you in this video, you'll be able to send money successfully using WorldRemit. The very same steps that I used to send money on WorldRemit are the ones that I've shown you in this video. So go ahead and make sure that you follow this video like from the beginning until the end. Then you are good to go. You'll be able to send money using WorldRemit. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. I hope it was helpful to you, and if you did find it helpful, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. That way it's going to spread it to many more other people. And if you enjoy watching videos like this one, videos where I show you how to send money, how to make money online, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.